the previous video, I have explained how to find area of a triangle using Heron's formula. Now, I will use Heron's formula to find the area of a quadrilateral, that is a square, rhombus or any shaped quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a four-shaped figure, so we can find if area of any shape, any polygon, 5 shapes, 6 shape, 6 sides. Just we have to divide those figure into two or more triangles, then we can apply Heron's formula in each triangle and thus find the area. See, here we have a figure A, B, C, D, E. This is divided into three triangles. I will find the area of each triangle and then sum up the area to find the area of this figure. Area of triangle ACE is equals to area of triangle DCE. So what I'll do is I'll first find the area of triangle ABC. So first find the semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C upon 2, that is 240 plus 360 plus 200 upon 2, which is 600, 800 upon 2, which is 400. So area will be under root of 400, 400 minus 240, 400 minus 360 and 400 minus 200. So what I'll get is square root of 400 is 20, so I'll separate out this. This is 160 into 160 into 200. 160 into 160 is twice, so I'll, it is 160 and this is 40, so 20, 40 into 4 is 160 into 40 into 200 can be written as 2 into 10 into 10. So 40 will separate out and 10 will separate out and 2. So under root of 2. I'll get 2 into 2 is 4, 4 for the 16, 16,000 root 2 meter square. So area of this triangle is 16,000 meter square. Now I find the area of triangle ACD and then divide the area by 2 so that I'll get the area of these two independent triangles. Here, so S will be for area of triangle ACD. I'll find the S, which is 400, 240, 320. 400, 240 and 320 by 2. So 0, 6 upon 2, which is 480. So area will be under root of 480. 480 minus 400 is 80. 480 minus 240 is 240 and 480 minus 320 is 160. So separate out zeros, so 100 will be out. 48. So 48 can be written as, do the prime factorization, 2 into 24, 2 into 6, 2 into, so 4 into 4 into 3. 8, 2 into 2 into 2, 24, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 16 can be written as 4 into 4. Now pair up the pairs of 2. 4 and this is 3. So what I'll get is 4 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 4. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 4 to the 12, 12 to the 24, 24 to the 48, 48 to the 96, and 96 into 4 is 38400 meter square. So the area of triangle ACD is 38400. Therefore area of triangle ACE will be half of this because both the areas are the same. So 19200 meter square is your answer. Next, we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. See, this ABC triangle is a right angle triangle, so we can directly find the area of triangle ABC, which is half base into height. We don't have to use the Heron's formula since we know the formula directly. Into 40, 20 is 180 meter square. So in order to find the area of triangle ACD, we should know the side AC. Therefore we'll find AC side by using the Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. What does Pythagoras states? That hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus altitude square, which is 1681 Therefore AC is 41 meters. Now find the area. So S is 28 plus 15 plus 41 upon 2, 9 and 14, 84 upon 2, which is 42 meters. Therefore area is 42 minus 28, 42 minus 15 and 42 minus 41. So 2 into 21, 3 into 7, 14 is 2 into 7, 7 which is 27. So 3 into 3 into 3 and this is 1. So make groups of 2 and 7. So 2 into 3 into 7 into 3. 2 3 are 6. 6 7 are 42. 42 into 3 is 132 meters square. Therefore total area is 132 plus 180, which is 312 meters square. Next, we have been given a rhombus and we have to find the area of both the triangles. So this triangle and this triangle. Since area of both the triangles will be same, we can find the area of only one triangle and then multiply it by 2. Because it is a rhombus, so two sides of the triangle are same. So S is equals to 100 plus 100 plus 160 upon 2, which is 360 upon 2 is 180 meters. Therefore area is 180 minus 160. So 2 into 90 into 10 into 3 into 3, 20 into 2 into 5, 80 into 80. So 80 can be grouped into 2. This can be written as 2 into 5, 3, 2 and 5. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 80. So which is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 5 are 20, 20 into 3 is 60, 6 4800 meters square. So area of both the triangles is 4800 meters square. Now exercise 12.2, a part quadrilateral shape ABCD. So first we have to draw the figure ABCD. Right angle at C, so which is 90 degree. AB is 9 centimeter, BC is 12, CD is 5 centimeter, AD is 8 centimeter. So we have to find the area. So here by Pythagoras theorem we can find BD. So BD will be equals to under root of 5 square plus 12 square by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras, which is equals to 13 centimeters. So this will come out to be 13. Now directly we can find the area of triangle BCD, which is half base into height, half into 5 into 12, which is 30 centimeters square. Now we have to find the area of triangle ABD. So 8 plus 9 plus 13 upon 2, which is 17, 30 upon 2, which is 15. So area is 15 minus 8, 15 minus 9 and 15 minus 13. So this comes out to be 3 into 5, 7, 6, 2 into 3 and 2. So 2 common, 3 here. So 6 root 35 centimeters square. So total area is 30 plus 6 root 35. Now find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Always label the figure in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. Don't skip any numbering here. So 4 centimeter, 4, AD is 5 and AC is also 5. So we have to find the area of the quadrilateral. So we will find the area of the two triangles and then sum it up. So of area of triangle ABC, S is equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2, 6. So area will be 6. 6 minus 5 is 1, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3. So which will be 6 centimeters square. For area of triangle ACD, S is equals to 5 plus 5 plus 4 upon 2, which is 7. So area will be under root of 7. 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So 4 root 21. Therefore total area is 6 plus 4 root 21 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of this aeroplane. So for first figure, here is the figure. S is equals to 5 plus 5 plus 1 upon 2. 11 upon 2 is 5.5. So area will be under root of 5.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 4.5. So if I'll remove the points, denominator will be 10. So I'll separate out. This 5 will come outside. 5 into 11 and 5 into 3 into 3. So this 5 will also come outside and this 3 will come outside. So 25 into 3 is 75. So 0.75 root 11 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Now since it is a rectangle, second area is directly base into height, which is 6.5 into 1 is 6.5 centimeter square. Area of third. First we'll find the area of fourth and fifth, which are same. S is equals to 1.5 plus 6 plus upon 2. Since we do not know this side, we have to find it by Pythagoras theorem. So let it be x. So x square is equals to 6 square plus 1.5 whole square, which is 36 plus 2.25, 38.25. Therefore x is under root of 38.25. Find the under root. 6 6 are 36, 2 2 5, 12, 2, 2 2 4, 1, so 6.2. So 6.2 plus 2, which is 6 12, 13.7 upon 2, which is 6.85. So area will be 6.85 into 0.85 into 5.35 into 6.85 minus 6.2 is 0.65. Here, in order to avoid this lengthy calculation, we can also find the area of the triangle directly by using half base into height. So half into 1.5 into 6, which is 3, which is 4.5 centimeter square. Here, since we have to find the value, I'll find the value of root 11, which is 3.3, and then find the value, which is 75 into 33 is 15, 22, 2 to 5, which is 5742, 2.475 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of this triangle, this trapezium. This is a trapezium, and area of trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height. So in order to find the height, I'll draw a perpendicular over here from both the sides. This is 1. The entire was 2, so half would be here and half will be here. So by Pythagoras theorem, I'll find this side. 1 square is equals to half square plus x square. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is x square. So x will be root 3 by 2. So height came out to be root 3 by 2. So parallel side is 1 plus 2 into root 3 by 2. So this will come 3 root 3 by 4. So 0.75 into root 3. Root 3 is 1.732. So 1732, 10, 15, 16, 35, 35. 2, 41, 50, 51, 10, 7, 8, 9. So 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 1.29 centimeter square. So total area will be, first area was 2.475 plus 6.5 plus these will be added twice. So 4.5 plus 4.5 and this. So 1.29. So add them up. 5, 16, 3, 10, 15, 18. This is something lengthy, so I'll solve it over here. 2.475, 6 4.5 plus 4.5 is 9. 9 plus 6.5 is 15.5 and 1.29. So 5, 16, 10, 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29.265, which can be written as 29.3 centimeters square. So this is our answer. Now fourth question. A triangle and a parallelogram have same area and same base. So a parallelogram is there and a triangle is there. They have the same base and same area. So area of triangle is equals to area of parallelogram. Sides of a triangle. First we'll find the area of a triangle. 14, 6, 42. So area is under root of 42, 42 minus 26, 42 minus 28 and 42 minus 30. 2 into 21, 3 into 7, 16 is 4 into 4, 14 is 2 into 7 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. So 4, 7, here 2, here 3 and 2. So 2 into 3 into 7 into 4 into 2. 2, 4, 16, 48. 48 into 7 is 336 centimeter square. Since area is same and area of parallelogram is base into height, so we have to find the height. Base is 28. So height will be 336 upon 28. 7 4s are 7 4s are 28. 7 8s are 56, which is 12 centimeters. Next, a rhombus shaped field has a grass for 18 cows. A rhombus shaped field is there. Side of a rhombus is 30 meters and diagonal is 48 meters. We have to find how much area will each cow graze. So we have to find the total area, then we'll divide it by 18 so that each area of each cow will be given. So S is equals to 30 plus 30 plus 48 upon 2. 60, 108 upon 2, which is 54. So area will be 54 minus 30, 54 minus 30 and 54 minus 48. So 54 can be written as 2 into, and this is 24 into 24 into 16. Sorry, 54 minus 48 is 6. 2 into 3. So 24 into 3 into 2 into 3. To the 48, 48 into 9 is 9 8 is 72, 36 for 32 meters square. So this area is 432. So total area will be 432 into 2 is 864 meters square. This is the field for 18 cows, but we have to find for each cow of 864 divided by 18. 2 9s are 2, 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 4s are, so 3 1s are 3 4s are 12, 3 48 meters square is the field of area will each cow. Now 6. An umbrella is used for stitching 10 triangular pieces of 2 different colors, each piece measuring 20, 50 and 50. So we have to find the area. 60. So area will be under root of 60 minus 20 is 40, 10 and 10. So 100 will come out. 10 for this and 10 for this, 2 and root 6. So 200 root 6 centimeter square is the area of one triangular sheet. But 10 triangular pieces are there, so each cloth of each color would be 200 root 6 into 5. This is of one color and the other color will be also 100 root 6 centimeter square. Now a kite is there. This is the square and this is a triangle. We know diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other, and they are perpendicular bisector of each other. So this angle will be 90. If this is 32, this is also 32, and this will be 16, this will be 16, this will be 16 and this will be 16. So if we find the area of first, That can be find out by half base into height, which is half into 32 into 16, which is 256 centimeter square. So area of second figure will be 256 centimeter square because both the figures are same. So if we find the area of third, since it is an isosceles triangle of base 8 and side 6, so S is equals to 6 plus 8 upon 2, 10. So area will be 10 into 4 into 4 into 2. So 4, 8 root 5 centimeter square. Root 5 is 2.232. Centimeter square. So total area will be 256 plus 256 plus 17.856. 12, 19, 10, 11, 12, 5 centimeter square. Next question. A floral design is made of 16 tiles. Each side is this. Find the cost of polishing at 50 paise per centimeter square. So plus 28 plus 35 upon 2, which is 37 plus 35 is 72 upon 2 is 36 centimeters. So area will be 36 into 35 is 1, 36 minus 28 is 8, and 36 minus 9 is 27. So 36 is the square root of 6, 8 is 2 under root of 2, 27 is 3 and 3. So 36 root 6 centimeter square. Now find the square root of 6. 2 2s are 4, 200, 4, 176. We can find its square root up to 2 decimal places. 4. So 2.44, which can be 4, 26, 12, 14, 87.84 centimeters square. This is, now we have to find the cost of polishing for 16 tiles. So therefore total cost will be 87.84 into 16 into 50 upon 100 because it is 50 paise. 2 8s, so it will be 702.72 rupees. Now last question. A field is in the shape of a trapezium. A trapezium shaped field is there whose parallel sides are 25 and 10 centimeters. So obviously this will be 10 and this will be 25 because longer side is 25 meters. And non-parallel sides are 14 meters and 13 meters. So what I'll do is I'll construct an other side parallel to this side. So this will be 14 and this is a parallelogram because these are equal and parallel. So this is a parallelogram. So this will be 10. So therefore the remaining side will be 15 meters. Now we can find the area of this triangle. So S is equals to 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2. 12, 42 upon 2 is 21. So area will be under root of 21. 21 minus 13 is 8. 21 minus 14 is 7. And 21 minus 15 is 6. 3 into 7 to 2 into 7 into 2 into 3. So I'll make the groups. So 2 into 2 into 3 is 6. 6 7 is 42 centimeters square. Since area of triangle is 42 meters square, if I drop a perpendicular, therefore 42 will also be equals to half base into height. So height can be 42 into 2 upon 15. 3 5s are 3. 28 upon 5 is 5.6 meters. And area of a trapezium is half into sum of parallel sides into height, which will be 35 into 2.8. 35 so 8, that is 98 meters square is your answer. Thank you. A mistake, calculation mistake was there. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 7s are 84. So make it 84 and this is 84. So into 2 will be 11.2. So here 11.2 which is 5.6. So it will be 196 meters square. Here also calculation mistake was there in question number 3. Here it was 19. And here also in question number 6, 200 into 5 is 1000. 1000 root 6 centimeter square. Please make sure all your calculations are correct. Thank you.